हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, एक क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। देखिए इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है ना, अल्फा पार्टिकल ऑफ एनर्जी 5 माइक्रो राइट मेगा इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट इज स्कैटर्ड थ्रू अ 180 डिग्री बाय अ फिक्स्ड यूरेनियम न्यूक्लियस। सो लेट अस मेक द फिगर फर्स्ट। देखिए यूरेनियम न्यूक्लियस दिया है, तो दैट विल बी ऑब्वियसली U92, राइट। सो दिस इज योर राइट, तो हियर द चार्ज विल बी 92e, okay, and the alpha on the alpha particle the charge will be 2e, okay. So it is coming here and it scatters by angle of 180 degree. So it is, you are right, it is asking what is the distance of closest approach of the order, right? So it will come up to here. So let us say this distance is a small r. So this is a small r is the distance of closest approach, and this I need to find here. So r is equal to what? So I can use the energy conservation here, right? Here you can assume the alpha is at infinity. So here the infinity is there. So here the potential energy will be 0. So using energy conservation, right, using energy conversion, here I can say Ke initial plus Pe initial must be equal to Ke final plus Pe final, and I'm using the energy conversion between this position and this position. I mean the initial position and the position at which it is at the closest approach. Okay, so initial energy, right, initial kinetic energy, let us suppose 1 by 2 mv square. Okay, plus since it is at infinity, so potential energy will be 0. So this becomes 0 here. Ke final, finally at this point it will stop for the moment. So at this position the kinetic energy will be 0, and P final I can write K Q1 Q2, Q1 Q2 upon R, right? Okay, so charge I know for both. Okay, now I can say I need to find the R from here. So I can say 1 upon 2 mv square is equal to k q1 q2 upon r, right? You can take any one as one. So this I am calling q1, and this I can call as q2. So this I can call as q1, and this I am calling as q2. Okay, so I need to find the r here. So r will become k q1 q2 upon 1 by 2 m v square. So value of k you know, right? 9 into 10 raised to power 9. Q1 you can take 2 into, right, 2 into 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19. Okay, and Q2 is also 92 into 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 divided by the kinetic energy is given in the question. See, 5 mega electron volt. So 5 into mega is 10 raised to power 6, and 1 electron volt is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19. So after doing, right, if you do the calculation of this all, you will get here 5.29 into 10 raised to power minus 12 centimeter. So you can easily see, right, you can do the calculation of this, you will get this answer. So the order is 10 to the power minus 22 10 to the power minus 12 centimeter. So option C is correct. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.